Well, I don't see the same kind of changes in the labor market as we've seen in the overall demand for products. We took a lot of people out of the labor force during the pandemic, just, through people actually perishing to people recognizing it was time to live a different lifestyle, maybe retire early. So I think manufacturers are going to continue to see, maybe not the same levels they saw maybe a year ago, but they're going to continue to see that labor prices are not going to come down, and it's going to continue to be difficult to attract and retain workers, especially in those more mundane jobs like loading and unloading a CNC machine. The workforce is expecting to do more meaningful work.